Bankruptcy is generally considered to be the debt relief option of last resort. There are several types of bankruptcy. Chapter 7, a straight bankruptcy or liquidation, Chapter 13, a reorganization of debts, and Chapter 11, which is a debt reorganization normally used by a business or partnership. While a successful bankruptcy can certainly provide a fresh financial start, individuals or businesses should carefully consider bankruptcy before proceeding because of its long-term financial implications. Now let's look at the plus side, or the pros to bankruptcy. Debtors are given a fresh start, a new financial lease on life. With bankruptcy, upon filing Chapter 7 or Chapter 13, collection efforts must stop. With bankruptcy, debts are discharged. Creditors forgive most unsecured debts. Your home, automobile, and other essentials may be protected by bankruptcy. With bankruptcy, wages you earn after the bankruptcy goes to you, not your creditors. And from bankruptcy filing to relief takes about 3 to 6 months. Now let's look at the downsides to bankruptcy. Bankruptcy stays on your credit report up to 10 years. This can make it difficult to obtain credit for a home, automobile, or more. Bankruptcy requires forfeiture, giving up your existing credit cards. With bankruptcy, you lose property not exempt from sale by trustee. Bankruptcy does not discharge student loans, tax debt, or alimony. Bankruptcy is the debt option of last resort that can be embarrassing.